Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this tropical halo eye. I know it's the dead of winter, but sometimes you just need to feel that summer heat. So let's add some warmth to the winter. We're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It has so many beautiful bright colors. It's really the best palette to use for a tropical look. Go ahead and use this yellow color right here and blend that on the brow bone. Then I used this dark and light orange right here and mixed them and blended that under the brow bone. And into the crease and on the outer and inner corner of the eyelid, we're going to be using the darkest blue they have. Just leave the center clean. Then I want to smoke that color out with the black. Then I'm going to cut out that center with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Nougat. Then I took this turquoise color and I just blended it on the outer corners of where we cut out. You want to leave the center clean here. Then I took the lightest blue in this palette and I filled in the center, making it a halo look. Then to make this look pop more, I used the FARSÁLI Glass Skin Serum and just dabbed it in the center. It's nice because it kind of gave it that wet look. And to make it pop even more, I used NYX Sprinkle Town in Peppermint Cool and used this white color right here, right in the center. For the lower lash line, we're just going to use the same colors we used on the upper lid, starting with that light blue color, then the turquoise, then the dark blue, then the two oranges, and finally the yellow. To top this look off, I'm using Sumptuous Beauty Lashes in style Sumptuous. And for lips, I'm keeping it neutral. I'm going to be using Aanastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Soft Touch. Then to give it a wet look, I'm just going to top it off with FARSÁLI Glass Serum. To get that glassy glow, I also used the FARSÁLI Glass Serum on my cheekbones. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. I hope this look put some warmth into your winter, and I hope you enjoyed this look. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.